Hello guys, and welcome back to MS Tutorials. And in today's video I'm going to be going over how to get a costume coin, or how to get like a free costume coin basically. And let's get straight into the video. So in order to get a costume coin in the first place, you have to get the pickup bundle. So make your way over to home. From home, go over to pickup bundle or click on the one. From here, once you purchase the pickup bundle, it's very cheap, it's only $3 and you get a lot of stuff. But anyways, once you get the pickup bundle, basically I believe on the 5th day of playing, so basically on the 5th day of playing, so you have to do like 3 matches to unlock 1 reward, and this can only be done once daily. So once this is done, so after the 5th day, so you get this when you purchase it, 1 2 3 4 5. So on the 5th day you will get a costume coin, and then with the costume coin you can make your way over to store. From store you can go over to exchange, and then from exchange, once you have 1 costume coin, you can purchase any of these skins and you guys should be good to go. So that is basically it. So again, you just go over to pickup bundle. It's not completely free because you do have to purchase the thing, but it's very cheap. It's basically any of these skins, which is like, for example, this Bucky skin is like probably like $20. I think it's like 1,600, so it's almost like $20. You're getting it for $3, which is basically cheap or very free, which is basically, free, I mean. So just keep that in mind. But anyways, on the 5th day of playing, you just have to complete 3 matches to unlock 1 reward. So, and that is very simple. You can just do matches, you can do anything, quick play, I guess comp, it doesn't really matter, up to you. But just do 3 matches, and on the 5th day you will be able to unlock it. And that is it. So that is it for the video. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure to give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and have a great day.